In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Facebook Marketplace to your Facebook. The first thing you should do is make sure your Facebook app is fully updated. Go to the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store and check whether an update is available. This matters because Marketplace features may not appear correctly if you're using an older version of the app. Once that's done, open Facebook and sign in to the account you want to use with Marketplace. After you log in, look around the home screen for the Marketplace icon. It usually looks like a small storefront. Depending on your device, you might see it in the top navigation bar, the bottom navigation bar, or inside the menu. If you don't see it right away, tap the menu icon and check whether Marketplace is listed there. If it is, simply tap it to open the feature and start using it. If Marketplace still isn't showing up, the next thing to check is whether your account is eligible. In some cases, Marketplace may not be available if your account is new, if you're below the minimum age requirement in your region, if Marketplace isn't supported where you live, or if your access has been restricted because of policy violations. If that happens, availability depends on your account status and region. You should also enable location permissions for Facebook, since Marketplace uses your location to show listings near you. On Android, go to Settings, then Apps, then Facebook, then Permissions, and make sure location is allowed. On iPhone, open Settings, select Facebook, tap Location, and choose while using the app or whichever option you prefer. If you're using Android and Marketplace still doesn't appear, try clearing the app cache. Open Settings, then Apps, then Facebook, then Storage, and tap Clear Cache. After that, restart the Facebook app. Another simple fix is to log out of Facebook and then log back in. This can refresh your account and sometimes bring missing features back. If the issue continues, uninstall the Facebook app, restart your device, reinstall the latest version, and then sign in again to check for Marketplace. You can also try accessing Facebook from a web browser. On the Facebook homepage, look in the left-hand menu for Marketplace. If your account supports it, you'll be able to browse, buy, and sell from there as well. If Marketplace used to be available but disappeared, go to the menu, then Help and Support, and check Account Status or the Support inbox, depending on your app version. There, you can review whether your Marketplace access has been limited and request a review if that option is available. Once Marketplace appears, you're ready to use it. You can browse listings by category, search for specific items, or create a new listing to sell something by adding photos, a title, a description, and a price, then publishing it.